What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Gala Games. Currently sitting at 0.276, up 10% on the day. See a market cap of 752 million, 24-hour volume 159 million. So after that flash crash, potentially it could be a deep four because it's holding the 50% right now. That is a possibility. If we end up filling that wick, then it would invalidate that in my opinion, and basically this wave count would be complete in a wave one, and you'd be looking at a wave two pullback, which is completely fine. If we fill that wick, that will give us another trade opportunity. I'll give you a signal in the Discord. We are currently in trades for Gala, XRP, Matic. Yeah, you can gain free access at the end of the video. So if we can bounce from here, then I think it's simply a wave four. We're going to push up in a wave five before potentially a larger pullback. But if we end up filling that wick, then I think that wave one is complete right there, and you're going to pull back in a deeper wave two. And I'll give another trade signal in the Discord if that is the scenario that plays out. As you can see, with this is why I like to swing trade, because my entry is way down here, and I'll continue to let this trade run. Even though there's a flash crash, it doesn't matter. I'll let it continue to run to potentially push up to TP4. But if we do end up getting that wave two pullback, I'll let this trade run and I'll enter another trade, and I'll give a signal in the Discord so you can ride up that big juicy wave three for Gala. So that's what I think is likely. If we look at the daily chart quickly, see how we're doing. If we're holding the EMAs, yeah, we're underneath the 55 right now, so it'll be crucial to get back above that 55 EMA, get back above the 20. Let's see, yeah, we're back. We're still holding above the 20 on the weekly chart. Sorry, there's always lag when I screen record, as you can see. So if we get the weekly close above the 20, that would be a good signal. Even if we fill that wick and say okay, I wouldn't mind. I'll get into another Gala trade, but I think there's a decent opportunity if we can close the wick, close the week above the 20 weekly, that we can hold this level and see continuation to the upside. We'll have to see how it plays out. If you're getting value out of this video, smash the like button, and if you want completely free access to my trade signals, as I mentioned, we're in trades right now for Gala, XRP, as you can see our trade here, as well as Matic. All you have to do is sign up to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Grab those $5,500 in bonuses. After you make your first deposit, send me an email, and I will give you completely free access to my VIP rooms. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. Otherwise, you can get completely in for free with a sign up and deposit to BTCC. My daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, my auto all plays completely for free with a sign up and deposit to BTCC, no KYC, no VPN, or $10 a month. All links down below. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.